maximum number is 15.
15, yes. Yes.
So is the case same for all of you, or it's happening only with you? Anyone, you can unmute yourself and confirm if
10 questions are by quarter. Each question carries 1 mark. 10 questions on that.
Okay, so you whatever you said earlier, you are the only one facing this problem, right?
I don't know about others, but one question having 2 times repeating, and another question is 4 times repeating.
Okay, so I guess it will be the same again. Like if you have like only 10 different questions, then right?
Oh, yeah. So they discuss because the
Yeah.
number of questions is a 15. So maybe others, maybe they have 10 only, no? They may be, I think, maybe additionally, maybe wrongly structured something. So same repetitions.
No, what you can do, you can mail about this problem in the like official Maths One email ID.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. If any of you are facing this kind of problem, I will suggest you to mail in the official mail ID of Maths One component. Okay. So any other problem?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in activity question 3.2.
Yeah. Questions I will pick. So okay, we will start. I will discuss 2 to 3 problem first. Then we will discuss the activity questions and practice assignments. Okay.
Okay.
So I think we can start now as being live streaming. So if anyone is going to join after that, he or she can watch it in the YouTube channel. So let us start. Uh, okay. So suppose we have a question that alpha beta, these two roots of a equation. Suppose some x squared plus 5x plus minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So you have to calculate equation of the parabola. So this is the question. Okay. So try to solve the question. Take your time. Take 2 to 3 minutes and write your answer on the chat box. Then we will solve it together. Okay. This is minus only, not the plus. The question clear to all of you?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
anyone, yeah, okay.
That
If anyone
roots of A, right? Roots of A or X.
the root of the equation.
Ma'am, you're visible to me.
What? Can you say it again? YouTube link is not provided in the Google Calendar. You can go to the official YouTube channel IITM Online BH Degree. Then go to the live session. Then we can find the session. It's being live streaming. Okay. You will find all the session recorded in the live session portion. So is the question clear to all of you? Okay, I guess the question is clear to all of you. So solve. answered the question in the chat box. You have to calculate the equation of the parabola whose roots are alpha square and beta square. Okay. So the answer should be a equation. This is a pretty simple question. You can, it's not difficult at all. So simple, using some simple step, you can do the question to solve it. Nineteen. Someone wrote 19. The answer should be a equation. Okay. You have to get an equation. We want the equation of the parabola whose roots are alpha square and beta square. Okay. Okay, you all of you are writing the value of alpha square and beta square. So we have given the equation x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. Simply we can break the equation as x square minus sorry, we don't need to break the equation. We clearly calculate with the squaring method, completing the square method. So minus b means 5 plus minus root over 25 is 4 into 3 over 2, right? So it will become 5 plus minus 25 minus 12.
X square minus 19x plus 9. I think so.
Did I did any mistake? Because all of you are saying the roots are 2,
Ma'am,
3 and
these
something
roots,
else.
ma'am, you are right, ma'am. I have same roots.
Okay. So these are the roots, right? So we can take alpha equals 5 plus root 13 by 2 and beta equals 5 minus root 13 by 2. Okay. So what will be then alpha square? What will be then alpha square? 5 plus root 13 square by 4, right? So it will be 25 plus 13 plus 10 root 13 over 4, right? Which is 38 plus 10 root 13 by 4. So this is alpha square, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what will be the beta square? What will be beta square? This term, there will be a minus instead of this plus, right? 38 minus
Yes,
10
ma'am.
root 13 over 4. So we found alpha square and beta square. So if alpha square and beta square are root of some equation, then what will be the equation? y equals to x minus alpha square, y minus beta square, right? We can just put x minus 38 plus 10 root 13 by 4, x minus 38 minus 10 root 13 by 4. Okay, so this will be the final equation. Now, if you want to simplify it, then you can break the brackets and after multiplying, you will get the simplified version. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I use that for this now. When I get like alpha square and beta square, there's like formula called like x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha
Mm.
into
Yeah.
beta.
So it's coming from
So
the same equation, like if alpha and beta are roots of some equation, okay, suppose of a equation, then the equation we can write in the form x minus alpha, x minus beta. Okay. So if we just break them, it will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay. So these are basically same. So that means if you have a root of a quadratic equation, this is the general form. That means x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Okay.
okay, ma'am, but what
Yeah.
happened now? Like I use it like this formula for solving one activity question, but my answer like it's incorrect. It is
Okay. We will go to the activity question after that. Then we will pick your doubt. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So is it fine? Is it fine for all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So last day we talked about the slope of a graph, right? That means if we want to calculate the slope, it's basically uh, actually tangent. I'm sorry, I did it wrong here. So at some point, this curve that touches the graph at that point, this is called the tangent. Okay. And slope is the angle which is made by the tangent with the x-axis. Okay, so this is called the slope. And m equals to, I mean the m is basically the slope, or sometime we call theta as a slope. So the value of a slope, that means m, which is like if we had a quadratic equation like that, bx plus c. So we calculated the slope as 2ax plus b, right? It was our slope. So this is basically equals to tan theta, where the theta is the angle between the tangent at some point and the x-axis. Okay. So suppose we have the parabola like that. So at the vertex at that point, the tangent will be this, right? Which is parallel to the x-axis, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from the picture, can you comment what will be the slope?
Ma'am, slope will be zero,
Zero,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Zero.
The slope will be zero
Zero.
because it is parallel to the x-axis. And so the theta will be 0 and slope will be tan 0, which is 0, right? That is how we can calculate the slope, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
we have the slope, something like that, that means parallel to the y-axis. Sorry, not slope, the tangent. Okay. Then what will be the slope?
It is like not defined.
Not
Yeah.
defined.
Because then it is making a 90-degree angle with the x-axis, right? And then the slope will be tan 90, which is basically infinity. That means basically it is not defined. Okay. Okay. So we had this two thing in my mind. If new thing comes to my mind, then I will discuss it with you. Let's now discuss the activity questions. Let me open it. I will cover one by one. Okay. So in
Okay.
activity question 3.1, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
No,
3.1 is 3.2.
yes, ma'am, and 3.2.
Okay. So in
Uh,
activity question 3.2, what
yeah,
is the
question number two, second.
question number 2? Okay. So what is
Yeah.
your doubt?
Actually, I'm not able to this is a word problem, right? And we need to convert
I
this
guess
into
this
some equation
for
and
this problem
solve
we
this.
had a video, right? In our YouTube channel. For this problem, we have a like solving
Ma'am,
video.
can you explain it here?
Okay, I will
Yes, ma'am.
explain.
Actually, I'm not able to how to approach these kind of questions, like
Okay, so
to
did
get
you
that
watch
method.
that video lectures of solving problems?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you
Actually, I
should
don't
go
know
to the
before
YouTube
this.
channel. Ma'am. Uh-huh.
Like before this, I don't know there are some video
Okay,
lectures
okay.
for
So
this
this is
activity
the
question or
announcement
something.
for AQ, PQ, and Solve with Us. We have video lecture solutions also. Okay, where I covered
Mhm.
maximum of the problems. Okay, anyways, I will cover the problem again.
Ma'am, just explain me how to solve this,
Yeah.
then
Sure,
after
sure.
that I will, yeah.
Okay. So, what is the question? Dev and Ananya bought 20 toys together. Okay, so the total number of toys is 20. Okay, this is the total number of toys. So, from this 20, they've lost 3 toys and Ananya lost 4 toys. Okay, so product of this current number of toys is 42. Okay, so suppose they took, we can x number of toys. Okay, x number of toys. Suppose they took x number of toys, and there were total 20 toys. Like, so Ananya then has to take 20 minus x number of toys, right? It's fine.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
they've
Yes,
lost
ma'am.
3 toys. Now, so currently Deb has x minus 3 number of toys, right?
Yes,
Because
huh?
it's 3
Mm-hmm.
toys. And Ananya lost 4 toys. So currently she has 20 minus x minus 4 toys, right?
Yes.
Which is 16 minus x, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then the current number of their toys is the product of current number of their toys is 42. That means this is the current number of toys, right? So x
Mm-hmm.
minus 3 to 16 minus x equals to 42. Okay.
Okay,
So this is
yeah.
the equation. Now you can simplify it and get the equations.
No,
Okay.
okay, ma'am. I can do that.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am. It's
is it
fine.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So okay. So what is the next?
Ma'am, I have another doubt. Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Question number third, ma'am.
Question third in this section.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Represents the following problem. These questions.
What is your doubt?
Ma'am, I can't understand. Ma'am, can you solve this? Can you give me hint for to solve it?
Okay, so this is a similar kind of problem as two. Are you able to solve the second problem?
Yes, ma'am. I am able to solve. But ma'am,
Okay, then you can also solve the third problem. Like this is similar type of problem, no?
If you can you give me some probability because I have tried it 2 times.
You are not audible. So
hello.
any other problem is 3.2? Yes.
No, ma'am. My problem is only third question. So if you can,
Okay. So I
Interesting.
will suggest you to try with like same as the second problem. These are same kind of problem.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. And if you are not able to do after trying, then you can ask me in the next session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in 3.7 question number 2.
So let us move one by one. So you don't have any doubt in 3.2, I guess. So what about 3.3?
No doubt.
No doubt. I have doubt in activity 3.2, question number 9.
Activity 3.2, question number 9.
9.
Activity 3.2, there is no question 9. It's up to 6.
Question number 9.
I cannot see any question number 9.
Question number 6, sorry. 6, yeah. Last word.
Number 6. Okay. So maximum profit. Okay. So you have given an equation, quadratic equation, which is the equation of a parabola, right? So you can find the maxima, which is the x coordinate of the vertex, and maximum profit is nothing but the y coordinate of the vertex. And in the last class, I taught you how to find the vertex and what is the x coordinate of the vertex and the y coordinate of the vertex. Okay. So using this, you can find this.
Yeah, it's mean we have to find y coordinate of parabola, right?
If you can find the x coordinate, just put the value of x in the equation. From them, you can find the y coordinate. In the last lecture, I taught, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So in
Yeah, I
activity
got it.
3.4, is there any doubt
Yes, ma'am, that first
Yes,
one.
ma'am. First one.
in the first problem? Okay.
Yes.
Any other?
Question number 1.
Okay. So question number 1. This is also solved in the video lecture. You should go through the lectures. Okay. Okay. So I'm solving this for you, but you should go through the lecture once. You have to go to the official YouTube channel, go to the playlist, then you will find this. Okay. So
Okay.
this parabola we have. Okay. So the equation of the parabola is ht equals to minus 5t square plus half ut. Okay. So this is the equation given in the question, where u is the initial speed. Okay. So if the highest point in the air at the stone can reach in 5 minutes, that means, sorry, reach is 5 meter above the ground. That means this distance is 5 meter, the maximum distance. That means the y coordinate of the vertex, right?
Yes.
The maximum distance is y coordinate of the vertex. So this is fine. So we have to calculate the initial speed. That means basically we have to calculate the value of u. Okay. So what do you know that when the ball reaches its maximum height, then the speed, then the velocity will be 0, right? At the
Yes, ma'am.
maximum height from the physics, we know then the velocity will be 0. And this is the equation of height. This is the equation of the movement of the ball. So if we uh, derivative it with respect to the time, then we will get the velocity, right? Movement, if we have the equation of the movement, after derivating it with respect to the time, we can get the velocity, right? So at h equals to 5, it will be 0, right? That means at this point. Okay, it's clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when h equals to 5, that means when the ball reaches its highest point, then the velocity will be 0. So we have the equation of h. From this, we can calculate the velocity, which will be minus 10t plus half u, right? Which is equals to 0. So from here, we can calculate t, which is u by 20, right? That means we have t equals to u by 20 when h equals to 5, right? So we have
Yes.
the equation. Now just put the value. So 5 will be equals to minus 5 into u by 20 square plus half u into u by 20. Okay. Now from here, we can easily compute the value of the initial speed. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, h is a function of time. So, ma'am, how h is equal to 5?
H is function of time, but h is the height, right? H is the movement. That means h is the height. At time u by 20, the height is 5. H representing height here. This is
Okay,
given
ma'am.
in the question, no? Sign? Okay. So I guess it's fine
Ma'am,
for all of
let
us.
me tell you, how I approach this question. So we know ki maximum is like 5, which
Hmm.
is x, which is minus b by 2a. So
Yeah.
so for that, b ka value is like 1 by 2, and a is minus 5. So by putting that formula, now I get u is equal to 100.
Hmm.
We can solve in like this way.
US 20
What,
now.
And
what,
after
what,
that, we can just find the roots of this quadratic equation.
can you repeat? You are finding the correct answer in this way?
No, US 20.
I,
US 20 meters per second. That's the correct answer.
Yeah. I don't remember what is the correct answer. We can check it with.
That is
But
20.
okay. So 20 is the correct answer. So you're finding the correct answer? Then it's fine.
no, I'm actually I get 100. But
What
let
you
me
did? Can you repeat?
share you
Can you repeat your
yes,
solution?
ma'am. I just observed this equation minus 5t square plus half ut.
Mhm.
Okay, so I don't think about that physics part. What I did, maximum is 5. Okay, and it is nothing but the x coordinate. So
Wait,
there's a
wait.
formula
Let me follow. You first calculated minus v by 2a, right?
yeah.
This
So
is the x
by
coordinate
putting
of
the
the vertex.
values, so it is
Okay.
minus
So what was the
half
answer?
u
Hmm.
like
By
u
10, right?
upon yeah,
10.
minus 10.
So it is minus u by 20, right? Sorry, minus 10. So
Yeah,
it will
and
be u by 20, right? Yes.
yeah,
So this
and
is the x
we know the x
coordinate.
coordinate, that is 5,
5
right?
equals to
Maximum is 5.
h of bx. This is the same, right? Same thing we are doing here. 5 is the
But here,
maximum height. That means this is the y coordinate of the vertex, not the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay,
hmm,
clear?
how uh,
Maximum height means what? This is the y coordinate, right? This distance is 5. I don't know what is this distance. From the equation, I calculated that this distance is u by 20. So this coordinate will be u over 20 comma 5, right? Now this point is
actually
on the parabola.
uh,
Now it will satisfy the parabola. So you can just put the point on the parabola.
mhm. I suppose that 5 is maximum. Uh, so
Yeah, 5
yeah, it's
is
my mistake
maximum
actually.
height. You cannot suppose something from your mind, na?
Right,
5 is
like
the maximum
one.
height. So this is the y coordinate of the vertex. Okay. If you want
Yeah.
to equate with this fact, then just simply put the value over the equation. Okay. It's fine.
Yeah, ma'am, fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I guess your doubt got clear, right?
Madam, see,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
can the screen is very small, so can you change the screen, madam, size?
Okay. Actually, I'm checking screenshot here. That's why you're it's looking
The full
small.
full screen not coming, madam. So it's very smaller size is coming. So difficult to view.
Uh, what I can do? Is it better now?
Now it's okay.
Okay. Okay. So, any other doubts in activity 3.4?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, in activity 3.5,
Ma'am, question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Third one.
okay. So,
And
this is
second,
from the uh-huh.
and second one, Lavi.
This is a pretty simple question. No, both of these questions they are so simple. No, you just basically have to calculate the slope here and equate this with 10, and from this find the value of x. This is the x coordinate of the point, and just put the x coordinate in the equation. That is how we can get the y
I
coordinate.
tried it. I tried it, but I can't get the right answer.
Why? I mean, this is a really simple question. No? Why are you facing problem with this?
So
Okay,
for
let me
this
try.
slope formula, we need to apply and we need to find out x. Then f of that x value, we need to find the f of x.
Yeah.
Is the answer 419? If that is correct, it is.
Yeah, 19. 4,19.
Then it's simple only, no? It's no problem.
Yeah. Plus 2 equals to 10. So x will be 8 by 2 equals to 4. Right? This is the x coordinate. And y will be 4
Eight.
square plus 2 into 4 minus 5. So this is pretty simple, no? You shouldn't have a doubt in this type of question.
Sorry, I am doing a calculation mistake. Okay.
So these questions are not that. The third one is you can solve from the definitions, I guess.
Ma'am,
So
like
if
what is that? Like respect to sensitive of the following equation.
you had the definition of sensitivity in week 2, maybe, right? So follow the definition and try to solve it.
Okay.
Okay. So any other?
Yes,
What about
ma'am.
the
Like
fourth one?
fourth one. I solved it like first half. Uh,
Okay.
like that is like the maximum height
This
achieved
is
by the
again
ball.
the same. Okay.
That is like it's come like
This
20,
will be
but
the vertex, right?
yeah, like
Y coordinate of the vertex.
hmm, and
And option
like
one, yeah.
yeah, like answer like the option second is right, but I'm not like understanding how can I find the that height like the jump of like that player like maximum height reached by that head to
This
give the head to that ball.
hmm. Okay, this problem is also solved in the video lecture. Okay, I will suggest you to go through the video lectures once. Okay, if you are facing problem with this problem, I solved them in detail actually. So for the fourth one, I'm not going to solve it because it's simple. I can give you hint, and for the detailed solution, you please go through the video solutions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Like I have
the
tried, but I'm not like getting the right
Yeah, I
answer.
am giving you
Uh,
the hint here.
so,
I'm giving you
hmm.
the hint here. You can try it with the hint. If it is not going well, then you can go through the lecture once. Okay.
ma'am, where we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
where is the lecture on the YouTube or in
Yeah,
a
on the
like
YouTube
chat?
channel, you in the official YouTube channel ITM BSD, you can find all the lectures. Go to the playlist, then
Mm-hmm.
you can find the problem solution of math one. There is some folder like that. Okay,
Okay.
so there are all actually maximum week-wise solutions are available there. So go through this lectures one. I will give you the hint here, but for the detailed solution, please go through the lecture. Okay.
Okay.
So basically here we have a parabola. This is the parabola.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So because the coefficient of x square is negative, then we will get a parabola in the downward direction. So no confusion in that, right?
Mm.
Yes.
So, yeah, at some point, the slope will be this. Okay. So,
Hmm.
the equation of the slope will be 2 over 125x. Okay. So, at some point, this is equals to 0 point minus 0.64. Right.
Yes.
From this, we can calculate the value of x. Okay. That means, suppose at this point,
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
so we had the value of x. From this, we can find the value of y. And the value of y is the height. That means this is the height of the player. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is a hint. You try like that. If you are facing difficulty, you can go through the lectures. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So next, 6, 7, 3.6, 3.7, 3.6 is not there. 3.7.
Yes, in 3.7, there is question number 2. So I was not able to like figure it out. It's like how to get to the answer.
Which one?
Second
Question
one.
number 2.
3.7. In 3.7, question number 2.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. So the parabola is in the upward direction, right? So
Hmm.
what should be the coefficient of x square? Negative.
Greater than 0?
Negative.
Yeah, it should be negative.
Will be why?
Less than 0. Yeah.
It should
I don't know what I was thinking. Now
like
it.
we will get minus ax square. So minus ax square should be positive. That means a should be negative, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other doubt in 3.7?
Question number 4. Question
Identify
number 4.
question 4. Why are you facing problem in question number 4? You just have to calculate the roots. That's it.
But ma'am, calculate. Then, so second and third option is correct. But ma'am, we found on first and fourth option correct.
Second and third options are
Yeah,
correct.
it's five,
It's
six.
saying incorrect answer.
The correct answers are
You have
9
to find the incorrect options, no? So second and third options are incorrect. So here they are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
3.8.
Ma'am, like the first one, like 3.7 ka first one. Actually, like we have the roots like alpha and beta till
Hmm.
that, and
Yeah.
I use that formula. I don't like I use that formula like earlier I was tell you like that x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. But
Huh.
my like I get a like a quadratic standard quadratic equation. So
Okay. Is it
uh,
matching with any of these three forms?
no,
First
ma'am.
three
Like
forms?
I don't know like the answers like fourth one, but uh, I need to like factorize this, no? Right? No, maybe. Like I get the equation like 2x square plus 3x minus 35 equal to 0.
So you should get something like
No,
x squared minus 7 over 2 minus 10 over 3x minus 7 by 2 comma 10 by 3. That is what you did, right?
7 by 2 plus I did plus here like
Here.
7 by 2 plus 10 by 3.
No, minus will be there, no?
Yeah, minus. Yeah.
Yeah.
first option is correct.
Yeah. Then calculate it again, you will get the answer. Okay.
What is this?
Okay. So any doubt in 3.8?
No.
In 3.9? Silence. So can I consider you don't have any doubt in this?
No,
Like
ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am, I
Solve.
didn't solve it, so I can't say that.
Okay. Okay. So solve it. If you are facing some problem, go through the video lectures. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. These all the problems are not covered, but most of the little bit tricky problems are covered in the video lectures. So I request all of you to go through the video lectures. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can I ask in upcoming session if
Yeah,
I
sure. Yeah.
okay.
If you are facing problem, then you can ask. No problem. Also, you will have revision sessions. You will have so many sessions over these weeks. So you will get a chance to ask.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's come to the practice assignment. Did you solve the practice assignment set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like few of them, like 5 only.
So whoever of you had solved the practice assignment set, if you are facing any problem, you can ask.
Okay.
Any doubt in practice assignments?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
question
question
number
number
9.
4, 5, and 6.
One by one, please. First,
Ma'am, question 4th.
question 4. Okay. So, what is the problem? Why are you not able to solve it?
Ma'am, I am not able to understand what question is asking about.
Okay. So, they have given the equation D equals to A y1 y2, right? I'm giving you the hint here. So you have the equation D equals to A y1 y2, where A is something positive. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So from this two, y1 and y2, there are two lines given here in the figure also. So they are passing through 2 points. You know, if you were given 2 points, how to calculate the equation of lines, right? So
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
compute the equation of y1 and y2, right? They are two straight line. Okay.
Yes,
Using
ma'am.
the 2-point form. So just calculate the equation of y1 and y2, put them in the given equation D equals to A y1 y2. Then we will get a equation of a parabola. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then calculate the need. What else? Any other doubt?
Question number 9.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I have doubt in assignment 3.7.
Assignment 3.7 means activity questions.
Yes. Activity question second.
I just covered 3.7. No, where were you?
Hello.
Yeah, where were you? I just covered 3.7. No.
Okay, so I just joined.
Okay, so go to the live stream session and watch it again. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have any doubt in practice assignment, then you can ask. Okay. So what is the doubt in practice assignment?
Question number 9.
Question number 9. Okay. Suppose one root this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose one root of the quadratic equation of the form. Okay. So what is your doubt? What is your doubt?
I'm not able to solve it.
Why? I can give you one hint that so in question number 9, if this is a root of the equation, then from this you can find that 2 minus root 3 is another root. Now can you solve it?
Ax plus a2, ax plus 2a.
So we have a quadratic equation. We have 2 roots. Now you can find the equation, right?
Bx
And suppose
minus x
this
square
is
plus.
Can you explain question number 8?
yeah, sure. So I guess this problem you can now solve, right? Question number 8 is a quadratic function if value decreases over the interval. So value okay, suppose okay, suppose our x-axis is this, okay? This is our -2. This is towards minus infinity. This is towards infinity, okay? So it's given that the quadratic function f, suppose the f is some ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the general formula of f, right?
Yeah.
So this f is decreasing over the interval. That means f will be something like that over this interval, right?
Mm.
And I don't know what will be the ending, but like in the decreasing manner it will become. And after that it will be increasing. It can be something like that, it can be something like that, right? That means
In
when
this equation, there is not mentioned is a is in a positive or a negative. So how can we?
okay, it because I mean you are drawing a parabola, right? So because if in this interval the edges is like that, and this interval the edges is like that, that means it's common na ki it will be a parabola in the upward direction. Decreasing
Okay.
means what? It is going in this way. Okay. That means if x tending to infinity or x tending to minus infinity, the graph will be tending to infinity in both the cases, right?
Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah. So the A will be something positive. Okay. So from here you can remove 2 conditions. I can directly see this one and maybe this one, right? And you can satisfy this equation. So to find this constants, okay?
Yeah,
Just put the value instead of x, then you will get equations, right? So from
Okay.
this you can find the constant. Okay. Is the concept clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then it's fine. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
like
yes.
like second one, like I solved it, like
This
but I'm not getting the
eighth one.
final answer.
Which one?
Second one, practice assignment.
Second one means this one.
Yeah. So the vertex is like 0, 0, and it's like by the equation you can like we can say that like it's
We
a
have
upward
this
parabola.
parabola. Yeah,
Hmm.
the vertex is
Yeah.
0, 0, right?
Hmm. And we need to find
This is y equals to
yeah, y is equal to 2. Like what is the length of that line? Like how can I like solve
So
that?
we have two different graphs. We can find the point of intersections, right? X coordinate of the point of intersection.
Hmm.
So what will be the point of intersection? We can put 2 instead of y, 4x square, right? So we will get x equals to plus minus 1 over root 2, right? So
Like
obviously,
how like root 2 actually I get like 1 by 2. I don't know like
why?
what.
X square equals to 1 by 2, no? So x will be plus minus 1 by root 2.
Okay, like maybe some basic stuff, but I did like I
What is
solved
the
it like
problem?
it's
I
like
mean,
1
x
by 2.
square equals to 1 by 2. So obviously, x equals to plus minus 1 by root 2, na?
Okay, mom. Like yeah.
What is the problem here? Then just sum, then we'll get root 2.
Hmm. Okay, mom.
Fine?
Yes, mom.
Yeah.
Ma'am, question number 5 and 6.
Question number 5. Okay, so let's understand this one pictorially. F1, the coefficient of x square is positive. That means we will get a parabola in the upward direction, right? That means this type of parabola. And this is not a perfect square, clearly. So we will get two different roots. That means the curve will intersect the x-axis at two different points. Okay. And F2 is the mirror image of F1. That means this is our F2. Let us draw F2. Right? So this is our F2, right? And the okay. So this is the red one is C. Okay. Fine. So we have our A, we have our B, and we have our C. So what is the intersection of A and B? What is A intersection B? That means intersection of these two. That means these 2 points, right?
Yes.
Point 1 and point 2. What is intersection of A and C? A intersection C. A is the blue one and B is the green one. Sorry, red one, right? So this is one point and this is another point, right? And this is another point, right?
Mhm.
So these 2 points we have already taken, right? So this is the new one. So this is the third point. Similarly, this is the fourth point. Okay.
Mhm.
So 4 points will be there. Is the pictorially understanding is fine?
And what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cardinality?
Cardinality means number of point in the set.
Okay.
So is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any
Ma'am,
other
question 6.
question number 6? Okay. So what is your problem? What will be the how will be the graph of F1? F1 will be a parabola in the upward direction, right?
Yes.
And what will be the x-intercept? Plus minus 5. Correct? X square minus 25
Yes,
equals to
ma'am.
0. This is the
Plus
x-intercept,
minus
right?
5.
Plus minus 5.
Huh.
That means we will get this equation, this graph. Okay? This is our F1 and this is our F2. Is the yellow color visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
This is our F1 and this is our F2. Okay? And this is the region bounded by F1 and F2. So what is the y-intercept is what is the y-intercept? This is 25, right? This is minus 25. Y-intercept means we will equate x equals to 0. Then we will get y equals to minus 25, right?
Yeah.
And for f2, we will get y equals to 25. So y in the y-axis, the y coordinate will be from minus 25 to 25, right? That means this option. And in the x-axis, we will get minus 5 to plus 5, but
Plus
not
5.
closed, open. So here it is closed, right? So it will be a wrong answer because we find this one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So next out.
Question number 16.
And 16. This one.
Yes.
What is the doubt? Like you
I
tried to
don't know.
solve it.
I don't know how to make the equation of this. There are so many conditions.
Okay. So the first thing is given. 30 is the speed in the still water of the boat. Okay. So in the following water, it's covers a distance 15 kilometers in the direction of the flow and come back in the opposite direction. Okay. So the total distance is 100 kilometers. That means it's going 50 kilometers, then it's coming 50 kilometers again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is towards the flow. This is opposite the flow, right?
Oh,
Okay. So what
Yes.
is the net speed towards the flow? Suppose VF. This is the speed flow. So this will be, what will be the, we will add the speed of the flow with the flow in the still water, right? Because the speed of the flow will boost the flow of the boat in the still water, right?
Yes.
We can take x as the speed of the flow, okay? Then the speed towards the flow will be x plus 30. Fine?
Yes. Correct.
No doubt, right? And
No
what will
doubt.
be the speed in the opposite direction of flow? Suppose
X
this
minus 30.
O,
X
x
minus
minus
30. 30.
30, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in the speed x plus 30, the boat is covering 50 kilometers. Okay. So the
Yes, ma'am.
time taken here is t1 equals to x plus 30 by 50, right? I guess
Yes.
it's 50 by x plus 30 maybe.
Yeah, ma'am.
Total distance by speed equals to time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because speed equals to total distance by time, right? And what will be
Yes.
T2?
Yes.
That means in the opposite direction of the flow, T2 will be, again, it's covering 50 kilometers in the speed, with the speed x minus 30, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is x
Yes.
minus 30 is supposed to be x plus 30 only, no? Because it is adding to the.
No.
Why we are subtracting
I'm
minus 30?
calculating the time here in this portion when it is running opposite the flow. Then the speed is x minus 30. So it will be the total distance over speed. Speed is equals to total distance covered by time, right? So time will be equals to total distance by speed. So when it is going opposite to the flow, the speed is x minus 30. So T2 will be 50 by x minus 30. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. So the total time taken is T1 plus T2. Fine. Now you can solve it.
Say okay.
We have the total time is 10 hours. We can put the value of T1, T2 here, and then we will find the equation using x only and the constant. Then from them, we can find the value of x, which is the speed of the flow. Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
This type of question we can solve on the basic method without using a quadratic equation or something like that.
Yeah. You will not get a quadratic equation, maybe, or maybe you can get, but you just take the positive value and then you can match it with the options.
Yeah, but I just want to know कि in examinations and like during the exam I can do on the basic method. Is that
Yeah,
valid for now?
you can apply, go through any method, no problem. The thing is, the method should be correct. Then it's
Yeah.
fine. There's no problem with this. If the method is correct, then no problem. You can go through any methods.
Okay.
So is the concept clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, question 22.
Question number 22. 22, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, basically, I have solved this question and I got two values for the x, that is 53 and 25. So, which value should we have to take in this question?
53 and 25.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is the, what is the quantity and what should be the price? Okay, the price, right? The price, you get the answer as price. That means the price is 52 or 25, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, if you observe the graph, you can see if the selling price is more than 25, then the demand is 0, right? From the graph. If it is
Okay, ma'am. So, we should have to take the 25 wala value.
25 one only. Okay. So after 25, if we increase the price after 25, then the demand will be 0. So maximum price we can increase up to 25. Okay. So if you are getting something more than 25, neglect it. You have to take the maximum one as 25. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in week 2 graded assignment, question number 3.
Graded assignment we cannot discuss.
Week 2, ma'am.
Week 2. This is the problem solution for week 3, na? Let us discuss week 3 first.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
is
you?
there any videos regarding practice assignment too as in on the channel?
Yeah, all practice assignment, activity question, and graded assignment all are available.
Ma'am, but in that playlist there are only activity questions, not the practice assignment one.
In the YouTube playlist?
Yes, ma'am. I have checked that playlist and they have only activity questions.
Okay. Uh, okay, then we will release the practice problem also. They are also recorded. So we will release them also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right now, if you have doubt, you can ask. I will clear your doubt in week 3 portion. And if not, then it's fine. We will release the practice solving portion soon.
Ma'am, in question number 17, can you give me some hint?
Question number 17. So did you try to solve it even?
No.
So I can give you
That's
hint.
why, yeah, that's why I'm asking you for a hint.
Yeah, I will give you hint and you have to solve it.
Yeah.
So this line we can take as x-axis, okay?
Mhm.
And this point as our origin, okay? And this is a parabola which cuts the x-axis at these 2 points. And this is given that this distance is 28.5 kilometer. That means this distance is 2.5, right? Sorry, a feet, not kilometer.
There it is mentioned.
And we have given that the value of tan theta equals to 1. That means the slope is 1, okay?
Yeah.
So the general equation of a parabola is ax square plus bx plus c, okay? So from here, we will get one condition using the slope. You can find the slope, right?
Yes.
2x plus b.
Hmm.
Then equate with tan theta, it will be 1. So we will find some condition in A and B, right?
Yes.
And the graph is passing through the origin, okay?
Uh-huh.
So from this, you can find another condition, okay?
Hmm.
And y coordinate of the vertex, okay? And using these three conditions, you have to find the value of these three constant, A, B, and C. Then just put and you can find your answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you got my point, no? The three conditions. First condition is just passing through the origin. So from there, you can get one value. Second condition is you have to use the slope. And third condition is you have to use the vertex. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So these three condition, using these three condition, you can find the value of these three constant. Then if you once have the final equation of the parabola, then you can solve anything about it, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So then you will find the distance of the axis of symmetry, then just twice it. It will be the distance between A and B. This is the hint. Try to use it to
Yes,
solve.
ma'am, I will try it once. Then after that, if I
Yeah.
am able to solve, then okay.
Yeah, yeah. Which the hint which I gave, you just note it down, and following
Yeah,
this,
I
you just
note it already.
okay. You will solve it. Okay. So any other? Any other doubts?
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, question number 20.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
So X is the selling price. Here the graph is given. You have to calculate the equation, okay, of the profit. So what is the profit? Profit will be profit per packet into the demand, right? So we have the graph of demand. That means we have these 2 points, right? So again, I'm giving you a hint. I will not solve it thoroughly. You have to solve it. I will give you the hint, okay?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Try to understand it. So suppose this is our demand Y, okay? So the line for demand is this. This is the graph for demand, right?
Yes.
If you have 2 points, then you can calculate equation of a line, right? Suppose it is ax plus by plus c. Okay. So this is the equation for your demand. Okay. Here we have to calculate the profit. So here they have given that x is the selling price. Okay. And what is the cost? The total cost is 1.5 plus 6.5 plus 10. That means 18. Okay. So the total cost is 18. total cost is 80 and selling price is suppose P, this is X. Okay. So this is your profit per packet, right? Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the profit per packet. Now, if we multiply this with the demand, so you will get the equation for demand, right? Using these 2 points, the straight line. Okay. Just multiply them, then you will get the profit. Okay. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me summarize. First, using the graph, you will calculate the demand using 2-point formula. And then it is given that the sale price is X and the total cost is 18. That means per packet, the profit is X minus 18. Hence, the total profit will be demand into profit per packet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts? Silence. So may I take it as a green signal, like you don't have any other doubts?
Uh, how do you calculate demand in this particular thing? It is coming as 60 minus X.
Okay. So here you have given 2 points, right? 1590 and 2570.
Yeah.
So you have to calculate equation of the straight line, which is passing through the points.
Okay. Okay.
Using the you in your week 2 probably, uh, it's already covered, no? How to calculate equation of the straight line, which is passing through 2 points.
Yeah, that is y minus y1 into y1 minus y2.
Yeah. That one. Yeah, using this formula. Okay. So if you have any other doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave any of doubt in.
Ma'am, if y-intercept on a quadratic equation, then what will be the slope?
Again, ask. Repeat again.
If a slope passing through the y-intercept, then will be the like उसका फिर x के coordinates क्या होंगे फिर?
It depends on the angle, no?
Okay. तो यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू को 0 लेट करेंगे या y की वैल्यू को? Like अगर intercept
Y-intercept means it will intersect the y-axis. That means x
Hmm.
will be 0, na?
Okay.
So you will consider x equals to 0 and there will be some values for y.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Anything else? If you don't have any doubt, you can leave. Otherwise, you can ask. I will wait for
Question number 4. After making quadratic equation, from where will I get the value of A?
question number 4. A is something positive given here, no? This is the hint. This is the hint. A is something positive.
Ma'am, but in my
Ma'am,
equation,
activity 8, number 2.
What?
ma'am, my equation is coming minus x square plus 5x plus 6.
X square minus?
Minus x square plus 5x plus 6.
5 is plus 6.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
equal.
Plus 5x.
So you got the equation of the parabola, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can calculate the vertex, the maxima, and y coordinate is the maximum value.
Ma'am, but in question, it is said that a is greater than 0.
What is the problem? There will be a, right? A, y1, y2. What is what is your y1 and y2?
And y1 and y2 are the two lines that
No, what is the equation?
equation of y1 is y is equal to x plus 1.
Y equals to x plus 1.
And y2 is y is equal to minus x plus 6.
Y1 minus x plus 6.
6.
Okay, then just d will be a into x plus 1 minus x plus 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So after multiplying, what is coming? A
Ma'am,
into
minus x square
hmm?
plus 5x plus 6.
And A is something positive, then that means we will get this type of parabola, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means the graph of D will be a parabola in the downward direction.
Yes, ma'am.
So when can you find the maximum at the vertex?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you just have to calculate the vertex.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a week 2 assignment, graded assignment.
Week 2 graded assignment. Week 2, I'm not covering today.
Okay.
Maybe we will have a revision session in the coming week, okay? Probably a week after next week. Then we will cover the problems in the previous weeks, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right now, if you have any problem with week 3, let us focus on week 3 because the day is dedicated for week 3.
Ma'am, activity number 8, question number 2.
Activity 3.8.
Yes.
Question number 2. What is the problem?
How will solve this prime factorization method?
So can you like do the factorization here?
Ma'am, but 37 is factor is coming.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Starting with the session, you solve the root of the Sridharacharya method, and we solve on alpha and beta gamma root. Then why it's both values is different?
Can you repeat?
Starting the session, you gave me a equation to solve, find out the roots. So I follow the like alpha and beta gamma formation, and you solve just like a Sridharacharya method. So, but there is a why like both equation is different. Like why?
Well,
Why we don't solve a alpha beta gamma, like alpha and beta gamma, like sum of alpha and product of roots.
Yeah, we can do in this method also. No problem in this. But this for me, this is not possible to think about this factor immediately. So the Sridhar Acharya rule is one step easy formula. No? So obviously we should apply this one. If you can factorize, you can factorize. No problem in this. But the root are not that simple, no? So this will not come in mind like immediately. So it's
So
better
why we don't find out root on the like sum of roots or product of the roots?
if you can do that, you can proceed in that way also. No problem. Can you express 5 in such a manner such that product of this 2 will be same as 3? Like you have to express 5 in such a manner such that product of this 2 number will be 3. If you can express, then you can proceed.
Okay.
But this rooted in difficult formation, no? So it will not come to our mind that easily.
Okay,
Right?
now I got it. Now I understood. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, so if you don't have any doubt, you can leave.
Ma'am, activity number 8, may you question number 2.
And so what is the problem here?
मैम 37 का फैक्टर तो नहीं निकाल सकते.
So this is not the correct option. No? That's why this is the wrong answer.
Choose the correct option.
That is why this is the wrong answer, no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, any other doubt?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Madam, can you please?
Can you bit little louder? I cannot hear you.
Is it? Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yeah. It's better if you can bit louder.
Yeah. What I was trying to ask is, what is the weightage of questions when it's compared to week 1, week 2, and week 3? Can you how many questions we can expect?
Weightage we will be almost same, and from each week there will be 2 to 3 questions.
Yes, so total questions will be 10 only.
10 to 12 question will be there.
10 to 12 questions.
Yeah.
Okay, is it going to be the same as the portal, or is it going to be something different?
Yeah, it's going to be same as the portal. If you are like clear with the concept, and if you solve all the question in the portal, then you can solve the question in the examination easily.
Okay, yeah, but it's going to be a proctored condition. I believe that the entire dashboard or the interface is going to be something different. I'm just guessing as that.
Yeah, but the main focus is to clear the concept. Okay. So all the question will be using some basic question, then maybe 2 to 3 tricky question. Else it will be easy, just basic level question. Okay. Maximum 2 to 3 or maximum 4 question will be tricky, not more than that.
Okay. And one more thing, madam, is it recommended to do a practice in scientific calculator, or is it not required?
I guess you will be providing a calculator on the screen. You can use a calculator.
Alright, for all questions it can be used.
Yeah. You can use the calculator.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Welcome.
Ma'am, actually, I have a doubt in like a schedule of this live sessions.
Okay.
Actually, there are like kind of three type of sessions. First is like a TA session, then open session, and like doubt solving, and that summary session, right?
Yeah.
But like
So the thing is typically summary sessions, open sessions, and solve with a session, or there will be a Hindi session maybe. So instructor will take those sessions, and maybe there will be 1 or 2 session per week. TA sessions part will. And
Actually, like,
3 instructor
mm,
session will be there. Yeah.
what happened now? Like, see, like ideally it should be like first summary, then some doubts, and then like question solving. But what happened now? Yesterday you take the summary session,
Yeah.
and before that, like there are some like TA session in that they are solving some practice assignment. So at
For
that
week
time,
3 or week 2?
I was not like week 3. So like that is why like I get a bit confused, because at that time, like a few days ago, like I was not complete the whole recorded lecture of like week 3, so I didn't attend uh, that
No, but
that live
all
lecture.
for all the sessions, I guess for the TA sessions also live streaming, like live recording is available. So if you in some case, if you miss the TA sessions, or if you are not completed with the recordings, you can go through it with the like in the YouTube channel. Otherwise, after the TA sessions, there will be an instructor session on over the problems. So, anyways, your doubt will be covered, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. You can also find the TA sessions. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Uh,
Like,
and thank you for this like this session also. Bye.
okay, so I guess we can end this session.
Yes, madam. Thank you so much for taking
Yeah.
the time to
So,
explain.
is someone saying something I cannot hear?
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for taking time to,
Yeah,
dedicate so
well,
much of time in this
yeah,
Sunday also. Thank you so much for that.
yeah. Most welcome. Okay. So, good night, everyone. Let us end the session.